Today, I want to share what I believe is the single most damaging belief blocking your spiritual reconnection. It is subtle, it's sneaky, and is so deeply embedded. You might not know if it's there, but once you see it and shift it, everything changes. Years ago, after leaving a business that didn't align with my values, I dove deep into healing. I meditated, I journaled, I did the inner work, but something was missing. I still feel fragmented, disconnected, like there was this invisible wall between me and the deeper peace I was seeking. And then, in a quiet moment, I heard it. This whisper in my mind that says, I am too broken to fully connect. That was it. The number one belief blocking my spiritual reconnection. And the same one I now see in so many of my clients is this. I have to fix myself before I can connect to the divine. This belief sounds like, once I'm healed enough, I'll be able to feel God, Source, Spirit. I need to fix my trauma before I can be spiritual. When I stop struggling, then I'll be ready for alignment. This is a lie, and a dangerous one. Because what it really says is, I am not worthy of connection unless I am perfect. It puts spirituality on a pedestal, something we reach only when we have earned it. But that is not how real spiritual connection works. Here is the truth. You don't connect because you are healed. You connect to be healed. You don't need to clean yourself up before coming to the divine. The moment you choose presence, connection is available. Spiritual reconnection isn't a reward. It is your birthright. Divine doesn't require your perfection. It desires your presence. You weren't put there to perform your way into worthiness. You were put there to remember that you already belong to yourself, to spirit, and to the sacredness of life unfolding within you. Even in chaos, especially in chaos, this belief isn't just inaccurate, it is exhausting. It keeps you in an endless loop of fixing. You go from one course to the next, one book to the next, one modality to the next, always reaching, but never arriving. It disconnects you from your power. It keeps you in a state of striving. And worst of all, it blinds you to the fact that you're already whole. That's the part of the you are seeking is already sacred. Let's shift this together. Here is how. Notice the pattern. Catch the voice that says, not yet. The one that says you need to earn peace or prove your worth before receiving insight, love, or connection. Awareness is the first act of freeness. Reframe the relationship. Instead of viewing connection as a prize, view it as a practice. You are not trying to earn a divine gold star. You are remembering that connection is your default. Reconnect in the mess. This is big. Practice spiritual connection when you feel most unworthy. In the grief, in the chaos, in the shame, in the not enoughness. Because that is where the deepest healing lives. The moment you say, even here I choose connection, you begin to rewrite your relief at root. Let me share 3 simple reconnection rituals I give my clients. 1. Soul dropping. Place your both hands on your heart and slowly whisper, I am here, I am enough, I am connected. Feel in the silence beneath the noise. That is your access point. 2. The worthy walk. Take a short walk with one intention, to feel worthy with every step. Don't try to solve anything. Just be. Let nature remind you, you are already part of something sacred. 3. Morning reconnection mantra. Before you pick up your phone and say, connection isn't earned, it's chosen. I choose to remember who I am. These rituals aren't about perfection. They are pattern interruptions. They remind your nervous system and your soul that connection is always just one breath away. At its core, this is about identity. Are you someone who is constantly trying to heal? Or someone who chooses to live healed? You get to decide. You can stop reaching and start receiving. You can stop fixing and start feeling. You can stop chasing alignment and start embodying it. You are not separate from the sacred. You are not broken beyond repair. You are the miracle you keep searching for. Right now, as you are. No upgrade required. If this message resonated, hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs to remember they are already whole. And if you are ready to deepen this journey, to move from striving to a spiritual embodiment, I invite you to explore the energetic restoration journey. It is where reconnection stops being a concept and becomes your reality. Thank you for watching Unparalleled Lifestyle. You are not too broken to connect. You are already home. Until next time, many blessings wherever you are in the world.